What's the meaning of convenor? Convenor. Convenor.
Convenor. Convenor.
A convenor is a person who organizes and chairs a meeting or conference.
They are responsible for setting the agenda, inviting participants, and ensuring that the meeting runs smoothly.
The role of a convenor can be crucial in ensuring that meetings are productive and effective, as they are often responsible for managing group dynamics and facilitating discussions. In summary, a convenor is a key figure in ensuring that meetings and conferences are successful and achieve their intended objectives.